Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. This is the 14th video of this lesson. We are about to finish this lesson very soon. Please go through all videos uploaded by your teacher thoroughly. Let us begin to read. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him, and at the last moment Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Now Sadao said. Explanation. The man wore the traditional Japanese dress that Sadao gave him to wear. Finally, Sadao wrapped a black cloth around his head to hide his golden color hair. The young American, without words, shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw the light flash to find his way, but that would not be suspected. He waited until from shore there was one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. Suspected, here the meaning suspected means doubted, right? Doubt. Explanation of this small paragraph in simple words. The American man shook hands with Sadao as he walked away towards the boat. He used the torch twice to find his way, but the guards would not doubt that. Sadao waited till he saw the torchlight once more as the man boarded the boat. Sadao closed the door of the partition and slept well that night, as he had finally got rid of the man. You say that the man escaped? The general asked faintly. Now, the man had already left the house of Dr. Sadao, and Dr. Sadao now went to inform general. Now there is a meeting between, there is a conversation or meeting between Dr. Sadao and general. You say the man escaped? The general asked faintly. He had been operated upon a week before. An emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. For 12 hours, Sadao had not been sure the general would live. The gallbladder was much involved. Gallbladder means the small sac organ beneath the liver, in which the bile is stored after secretion by the liver and before release into the intestine. That is the meaning of, as he was suffering from that particular problem, gallbladder. Now the explanation of these 4-5 lines are over here. Week ago, the general had been operated upon in an emergency in which Sadao took part. Sadao informed him that the man escaped. The general was weak as he was recovering from the operation. For 12 hours after the operation, his condition was critical and Sadao was not sure that he would survive. They had operated upon his gallbladder. This is the explanation. Let's begin to read further. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again and to demand food. Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassin. Assassins means professional killer. So far as he knew, they had never come. The servant had returned and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross. Cross means angry, because he had got behind with his chrysanthemums, one kind of flower. Now the explanation of this paragraph. Here sulfur, a chemical element used as a disinfectant, cross angry, and it's one kind of flower. The explanation of these few lines are over here. The general was an old man. After the operation, gradually he started eating food and breathed deeply. Sadao didn't have the courage to ask him what happened to the professional killer that he had promised to send to kill the American man. Sadao knew that the killer didn't turn up ever. At Sadao's home, things returned to normal. The servant returned. Yumi used sulfur to disinfect the room used by the American man. The servant didn't speak anything. The gardener was annoyed because he had got late to plant the chrysanthemums, chrysanthemums flowers due to his incident. This is the explanation. But after a week, Sadao felt the general was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. Yes, Excellency, he escaped, Sadao now said. He coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was unwilling to disturb the general further. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. Explanation. After 1 week, Sadao felt that the general was well enough that he could discuss the man with him. Sadao said that the man had escaped. Sadao coughed up, which indicated that Sadao had not told him everything, as he didn't want to disturb him. The general was reminded of his promise to send the professional killer, and he opened his eyes suddenly when he heard about the American man. The prisoner, he said with some energy, Did I not promise you I would kill him for you? The general was reminded of his promise and asked Sadao that had he not promised him to get that man killed by his personal professional killer? Let's see what answer is answered by Sadao. You did, Excellency, Sadao said. Well, the old man said in a tone of amazement. So I did, but you see, I was suffering a good deal. The truth is, I thought of nothing but myself. In short, I forgot my promise to you. Amazement means surprise. Amazement, surprise. Explanation. Sadao replied that he had promised him. The general was surprised and said that as he was suffering due to bad health, he had forgotten all about the promise that he had made. I wonder, Your Excellency, Sadao murmured. It was certainly very careless of me, the general said. But you understand it was not lack of patriotism or dereliction of duty. He looked anxiously at his doctor. If the matter should come out, you would understand that, wouldn't you? Patriotism, love for one's country, that is the meaning of patriotism. Dereliction means failure to perform one's duty, right? Carelessness. Explanation. Sadao spoke softly that he wondered that the general had forgotten his promise. The general felt sorry that he had been careless. He added that it was neither that he didn't love Japan nor that he was shirking from his duty. He looked at Sadao with curiosity as he sought support from him. He wondered that Sadao understood his problem. I will discuss the rest of the lesson in the very next video.